See that switch? I'm taking that out. But first, the door panel. That's what we used. Got up in the corner right here. But it might be easier to grab a hook tool like such and come from the top. But either way, a couple snap clips. Got it? Good. Let's get the 7s out, and those look like 8s. Uh-oh, found another one. And I do appreciate how Ford is changing their sizes. 2 8s, 2 7s I took out from the bottom, which are right here. And behind door number 1, to just pull, pull, pull. We're gonna get this screw out. Look at this. One clip, a guide, and whatever that is. Well, the other clips over here. Popped really right out with no problems. Now this is like the exploder I did. Let me get this off and I'll show you how to get this thing out. Now with this weird angle that I have the doors pretty much in my lap. See? Gotta push this in. This is like the exploder I did. Look, comes right up. This little guide goes in and snaps right back in. Got it? Good. Push, pull, push, pull. Blindly. Push, pull. Push, pull. You got the idea. So even in the middle of the day, I'm using a flashlight. Why? Because we gotta get these little Torx out. There's 3 of them. Let's get this guy out. And as small as they are, I just use a, what is this, T10? Yeah, T10. I'm just using my fingers because they're so small. Look. Let's get the other 3. 2. You really have to appreciate Ford for doing this. So I had to loosen it with this because my fingers just weren't long enough to get enough tension in there. And see how I loosened it up? Now this one, up in the front, I'm going to use a long bit, probably one off my drill bit, or something like this, where it's just like a screwdriver. So I put the pit in. What is this? That it's not so hard getting out. What's going to be hard is putting it back. Because getting it out is one thing, putting it back in is another. Hey, look at my foot. So we're gonna put the other 2 first, the easy ones, and then we're gonna fight with the 3rd one in the back. That's what we're gonna do. It's a bit tricky. Where are you? There you are. It's a bit tricky, but you can get it. You have to find a tiny little hole that this one was in. Now let's get the one in the back. What tool would you use other than this? Like, I have it in my hand. You gotta... Look at this. You gotta be kidding me. You do it by hand. There you have it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.